Hey, what's going on, Weavers? Tim here again, and this is the trailer for the Patreon exclusive video of the month. For this month, we are doing the Caged Hitch Knot Paracord bracelet authored by Makumbet. This is a really beautiful and unique design that was a lot of fun to make. It's also very comfortable on the wrist. We did this one knot and loop style as usual, and with the different colors you can incorporate into this one, you can really make it your own. So for those of you that aren't aware, I do run a Patreon page to help support this channel. And for the low price of $3 per month, you can get access to over 35 plus exclusive videos, as well as a new exclusive each and every month you can cancel at any time. Also, you'll get access to the Patreon only Discord server where we hang out and share our work within the community. If you're enjoying the content here and would like to support the channel directly, please feel free to join the Weavers of Eternity Patreon, and I thank you for even considering. For all my current Patreon Weavers, thank you all so much for your continuing support, as you are all making the biggest difference for this channel. I hope you're all enjoying the extra content over there and getting the most out of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one.